Greetings, friends, and welcome to yet another foray into the mad mind of Samhain Propworks. This week, we're going on to haunting stories. Now, what are haunting stories? You know, you got creepypasta, you've got all these goosebumps and such like that. This is a little bit different in the sense of I want to build props that have audio attached to them that are the stories of the people. Say if you build a gravestone, the audio file that will be with that video relates directly to the person's name on the tombstone. So if you're building a haunt and you want to have this as an audio file, you can, and you can have this as a backer track. So somebody walking through your haunt will be getting the stories of the people who are actually in your graveyard. Now, these stories can range from tame to downright horrifying. It'll depend on my mood, and if you have any ideas for stories you would like to see me kind of flesh out and put onto tombstones, please put them in the comments below. I am all ears. Now, this video is just to introduce it and to give the introduction audio track, which you're going to find right after this, and you'll find a link to download it in the description so you can use it on your own haunt. I'm putting it in MP3 format. It should be good for almost anything. Now, what this intro track is, it's kind of like the opening. It's the welcome to our haunted house type line. And I built this along the lines of how I see the voice at, say, the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland. Haunting and foreboding, you know, to give the ability for small haunters to literally go and build fantastic attractions for themselves and for the people who come to them with what I'm going to be supplying. Anyways, this is just the very first one. You'll need the opening track to kind of lead into all the others. You can also use the others as I go along completely by themselves. It's up to you. But I'm giving you the tools and it's your job to run with them. Anyways, if you like these videos, please hit like. If you really like them, hit subscribe. I appreciate everybody who jumps onto this bandwagon and sticks around for the ride, because let's be honest, it's going to be getting wild now. So, enjoy my first track. I'm by all means not an absolute professional on this, but I think it turned out pretty darn cool.
Greetings, mortals, and welcome to our haunted house. But remember to keep away from the ghosts you encounter, as they may not be friendly. It is here where the veil between the world of the living and the realm of the dead is at its thinnest. Before you lies a plethora of stories buried 6 feet deep in the earth. Or on this evening, we can only hope. While the dead on this night want you to share their tales, you must do your best to not become part of them. So on this night of Halloween, listen and learn.